What's up, team Fullest? This is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here again to do another crochet braid. So it's been a while since I crochet my hair. You guys know I grew out my hair and I cut my hair, and now I'm growing out my hair back, and I thought, you know what, it's time for, I love the big fluffy, sexy, colorful hair. I'm back into the crochet. So today I'm here to show you guys how I did this crochet braid. I kind of style it in different. Right now, I have it like this bang. I take an elastic band and I kind of like push the hair backwards like this. Actually, I crochet it for side parts, but I want it to a little bit fall on my face. So what I do, I just push the elastic upwards, and then you can have it on your face like this. I love it and it is beautiful. Of course, I did trim some of the hair so that, you know, it's kind of curly. I did trim some of the hair, but for the rest, I just love it like this. So I hope you all like this tutorial. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and then don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, let's jump into the tutorial. Another crochet braid. So this is what my natural hair is looking like. I was able to braid my hair all back, as you guys can see. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. This is what the hair is looking like. I wanted to actually blow dry my hair, but then I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and braid it so I can do a protective hairstyle. So at least for the next 3 weeks, I don't have to do anything to my hair. So because my hair is very short and it's not strong enough to hold the crochet braid on its own, so I'm going to be putting on some nets. This is the nets that I'm going to be putting. So I got this. And the hair that I'm using, this is the color. I got 3 pack of the hair. I got this hair from AliExpress a while ago, so it's not something new. And also what I did is I separate the hair into tiny pieces like this, so it's easy. I've already separated 2 packs of the hair, and it's remaining 1 pack. So this is what the color is looking like. It's very beautiful. You can put it like this, crochet like this, and then separate it later if you want to, but I prefer separate it first and then apply and then crochet it into my hair. So I'm going to take this cap, and I'm just going to put this cap over. I make sure also I've already oiled my head so that my hair stay moisturized. So I'm going to take this cap, and I'm going to, later on, I'm going to cut the excess cap that is going to remain. I'm going to like fold this at the back. I'm going to turn around, and you have your crochet needle. I'm going to turn around and show you guys what I am doing. Okay, I already have my hair. I'm going to take some of the hair, put it on my lap so I can show you guys. So you're going to take your crochet pin, and you're going to put the pin into the hair, and then you're going to take your hair, and then you're going to hook it to the pin, close, remove the pin, and then you're going to take your hair, and then you're just going to I like to go 3 times because of my hair is short, and try to give it space. I like to give space, so if, for example, when I'm done with the crochet and the hair remains, then I can use the hair to go in and fill in the gaps. So you're just gonna keep on doing this all over your head. Just repeat the same process. So as you guys can see, just give the hair some space, and the net is going to make sure that the hair lasts longer on your head. Just see, it's very secure. You can leave this in for 3 weeks if you want to. For a month, I'm gonna leave it in for a month.